Enemy fucking gold. Look at this. Giving her. No breaks. Ho ho ho! The action is fierce. He's advancing. Can't believe it. Oh, wheelies. Get some air? Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. These guys are fierce. Takes a shortcut. I didn't know there's shortcuts. This game is amazing. Look at the graphics. Oh, he bites the dust. I haven't bit the dust yet. Ho ho. Little jump action. Oh yeah. I wonder what pipe I have. I don't care. I'm advancing again. Fucking trees. Little air. Oh. Here we go. And that's all I have to say about that game. Not the greatest graphics, but hey, back in PlayStation 1 days, it was pretty cool. This is Moto Steve signing out. Always keep your right hand cranked. Up in Canada, it's really cold, so my motorcycle's in storage. You guys have a great night. Thanks for watching.